Hey my beautiful people, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making Liberian macaroni salad. This is a great side dish. It's quick, simple, and easy. I'm excited. Let's get started right now. First, I am cooking the macaroni. I am also adding the eggs to the water, or you can boil the eggs in a different pot. After draining the macaroni and peeling the eggs, next I will be adding some seasoning. I am adding red onions, but you can also use white onions. I added 6 steamed sausages. Feel free to use your favorite sausage. Next, I am adding mixed veggies. I added some tuna. Adding the tuna is optional. I usually steam the tuna before adding it, but you don't have to. I like the flavor it adds to the macaroni salad. I love some mayo. Feel free to add a lot of mayo or just a little bit. If I am making this for a gathering, I won't add the mayo till it's ready to be served. I made this with some pepper chicken. It was so delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make some macaroni salad for the next barbecue or any day of the week. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.